We have pregnant mama on board. She likes pressed duck treats. Shelter staff says she's a sweetheart, which she absolutely is. She's very curious. She likes to look out the window, and she just keeps leaning in as I'm trying to leave and wants to be pet. She's all seat belted in for safety. Huh?
Our first baby. Yeah. Hi. Good job, Mama. There you go. Good job. Yeah. Yeah. Good job, Mama. You take care of it. Good job. You got it. Come on. Get it. Come on. Here's a nipple, baby. Here, there you go, Mom. Say good morning, Mommy. Say good morning. Everyone's nursing and everyone's happy and everyone being weak. Say hi. Say hi. Hey, Susan. I know. Hi. Who's the best, Mama? You are my girl. Mommy, you sleeping? No, you're sleeping.
Are you with her?
No.
I wonder how much weight she lost after she had them all.
going? Where are you going? You're a funny one. Hi. Tired? You can go back to sleep. Keith. What you doing, little one? You think it's time for you to eat food? Or did you just fall asleep in the food bowl? Wow, it looks like your eyes are gonna open. Oh my god, they are! Alright, Mama. Your eyes are gonna open soon. I see your eyeballs in there. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on. There you go. Come on. Good girl. Yeah, you're doing it. Who's crying? Hi, guys. Hi. Oh, hello. You're just sleeping in the corner. Purple. Are you posing on the front porch? I love you.